Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing fantastic. Thanks for jumping back to another video. Today we're going to check out Aave coin, rank 55 with a market cap of 2.822 billion. So it's looking pretty, stable still. As you can see, over 30 days, we're still up a whopping 24%. So there's, there has been a bloodbath, as you can see, but in the grand scheme of things, it's still looking really, really strong. So just before we do hop into those charts, do smash that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment down below, and also hop into the Discord if you want to. You can find that in the description below. And big thanks to Mud, Peter, Alpcara, our patrons. So basically what's happening today is we're consolidating on a very, very, very key level of support at 155 pounds, and the reason why this is so key, if we quickly hop into that 1 day time frame, we can see obviously we're back under that 20-day moving average, which is quite bearish, but usually when we do get underneath this, we do see a pump over the coming days, especially for this project. Now what this really reminds me of is back here where we also had the capitulation wick. We lost a big level of support, and I'll draw this on both. We got a bounce, came back down, then we recovered again. So just change that to a different color. Maybe we can see better on white. So we obviously came down, we retested the same support level, we came up to the pretty much the same accumulation area, and we came back down to this support level, which we're now back at. And if we look at what's happened, we can pretty much see it's exactly the same almost, except we just haven't completed the next impulse, but it could also go back down. We can't predict the market, but I think it's more likely that this is going to happen, just replicate something that happened before when we had the Wyckoff distribution, because we pretty much also had another Wyckoff distribution in the market. Now what's happening is we are consolidating at this area, so we really need to hold this level of support at 155 pounds. Otherwise, if we do break, we pretty much come back down to 123, which would be a catastrophic drop to the downside of 20%, and that is absolutely what we don't want. So what's happening really, we're getting these higher lows in, which does look good. So that is exactly what we want, and this is on the 4-hour time frame, and also those highs are also kind of squeezing, so we're getting that real convergence, a symmetrical triangle over here for Aave. And I think it's very important that we can hold this symmetrical triangle. I think in the next 24 hours, we're going to see a big move to the downside or the upside. As you can see, we got rejected on that 20-day moving average on this particular candle here, and we are seeing more downside on the RSI. It's quite clear that we are struggling to get back through 47, so we're not getting the massive buying pressure that we're looking for. And it is also an ascending triangle, so it's not looking awful. It's just like we're not getting any volume. There's no volume coming in. You see that? No volume, not looking very confident. It looks like the whole market kind of wants to drop again, but if we do break out this, symmetrical triangle, it's going to be so good. We're going to come up and potentially retest some key resistance areas. I know we need to get back to 218, but a real key area right now would be this particular level at 190. And I think if we can get to that 190 just up to here, that would be really good. Even a pump like this, retest this resistance, and then we break through, that would be a really nice play out. What happened before is we came down, we retested this particular area of resistance, and then we came through. But of course there would have been a retest somewhere as well around this price level where it came down and retested the 190. So I think it will do something quite similar. Bearish scenario, of course, is this 123 pound support level, but if we can break to the upside, we're going to see a nice juicy pump put through a higher low. We really do need to make sure that we do not basically fall back below here. As long as we're trading above this diagonal support level, things are good, because we'll keep putting through those higher lows, and then we make moolah. So that's what we're waiting for. Hope you like the video, guys. Aave is still a really strong project. We've got V3 coming out. Try not to worry in the short term. I still think this is a massive growth in the future, just like many other projects. So if you did like the video, smash that subscribe, hit the like, leave a comment down below. Of course, I've got this ebook here that I wrote, so if you want that, become a patron. It's the price of a coffee, literally £3 $4, and then you'll be able to read this, and I guarantee it will change your mindset on everything. So please do become a patron, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And thank you again, Mud Peter out, Kara. Awesome support. Cheers. Bye.